Welcome back to the channel and another video and update on the Capri. I know it's been quite a while since the last update, and obviously we've had Christmas and New Year and it's been very cold in the workshop as well, but progress is slow. So there is progress, but it has been slower than obviously we'd have liked and hoped, but still slow progress is better than no progress. So I'll start with what we've actually achieved, and that is welding up some of the holes that have been, well, the rust has built in, and obviously as you can see I've had to put some plates on and make up these plates on the front. Well, I think these plates were purchased, and then to kind of make up the fitment. So as you can see, the same on the passenger side as well. So obviously quite a lot of work goes into that. Still some more holes in the front to be filled, and obviously there as well. We've removed the engine, so the engine has literally just been taken out just a few minutes ago, and that is obviously to make way for the 2-litre Pinto, and obviously some work in the engine bay to kind of tidy it up. So the exhaust has been removed, engine, box, fuel tanks out, fuel lines, pretty much everything has been stripped out apart from what you can see here. And interestingly, quite a few of these Capris seem to have quite a rotten out boot floor or spare wheel well. But this one, apart from a bit of surface rust, which is actually surface rust, seems to be quite good shape. So we've just taken all this out for now. Yeah, what more can I say? You can see the holes in the floor pan just through there. So yeah, a little bit more welding to do. We have actually just replaced the boot struts because they were failed, and 1 week later they both failed again, hence the bonnet prop. So this front panel, in the last video I think I mentioned that we needed to replace this, and we've managed to get a genuine Ford panel, as you can see. So very few of those Ford panels around. Quite glad that we've got that, although it wasn't cheap. That will obviously go on the front end, and then we've got the new light buckets and bits and pieces that I said. So continuing again this Saturday with it, hopefully get a bit more of the front end welding done, weld up those holes, and then we do have replacement kind of lip parts for where the wings sit. And then as I can show you here, we've got the non-genuine, unfortunately, but new copy front wings. So yeah, I mean, it's coming together. It is slow, but slow progress, as I said, is better than no progress. So yeah, hopefully these little updates are worthy of a video. It's a very short video, I know, but I'll update it again soon when I have a little bit more interesting stuff to show you, I guess. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.